Good morning, children. Last class we had completed half of the portion of the lesson 2. Today we'll continue. In the last class already we completed why you are using computer at home, schools, and why the teachers and students are using computer for their educations, and why how internet is helping for teaching and learning. Then today we'll go to the another topic, why you are using computer in the office, banks, hospitals, airports, railways, etc. So first we will know why you are using computer at office. First is send and receive emails. What kind of informations, documents we can send and receive through the emails only, and our office records also we are keeping in the computer. Means employees record, employers record, then materials records, everything are feeding in the computer. Then type letters and reports, all these are in the computers are doing. Then print documents, this reports documents are print documents only through the computer it can possible. Then hospital, why you are using computer at hospital? To find the cause of disease, means in which disease the patient is suffering and for what cause for this disease it can understand through the computer. And the computer also keep the records of patients. So many medical tests are possible through the computer only, and medical reports also preparing in the computer only. So these are the reason why the hospital are using computers. Understood? Then next is banks. Why banks are using computers? For the keeping the record of the customers and accounts also, how much money are keeping, checks, everything's records are keeping in the computer. Then keep details of ATM. In the ATMs, how many monies are keeping and how many already withdraw from the ATM, and how many remains are there. So these are the details here keeping in the computer only. Then do you know what is the full form of ATM? ATM stands for automated teller machine. Means we can automatically through this machine the money can come, and we can transfer the money also one account to other account. That's why it is telling automated teller machine. Then next is why you are using computer in airport and railway station? Because of keeping details of passengers and tickets. We are nowadays e-tickets are there. E-tickets means we can book ticket through the internet. So internet only possible through the computer only. So, and next is keep information about arrival and departure of aeroplanes and trains. Means when the plane is coming and going, and when the train is coming, what is the train is late or in time, it can only know through the computer only. Got it? So these are the reason the airport and railway stations are using computer. Now next is shop and departmental store. For making bills and price lists, the shopkeepers are using computer. It is better for the customer and shopkeeper both. And bills also print hand written bills. Nowadays nobody is accepting. Now everybody is accepting print bills. Okay, then all kinds of goods are keeping in the in the shops. So these goods are need records. So where will keep it? It will keep in the computer. And customer list also keeping in the computer. That's why the shops and department stores are using computer. Then film and advertisement. Nowadays so many films and advertisement are doing through the computer itself only. Like Jurassic Park, Spider-Man, My Friend Ganesha, all these animation picture, these are only can done through the help of computer. Then so many cartoon films and that cartoon channels like Shinchan, Doraemon, then Motu Patlu, all kind of animation, all kind of cartoons. How is it possible? It is only possible through the computer only. Now most of the advertisement also doing through the computer. So for this purpose also film and advertisement using the computer. Then next is space and research for and defense center. Or first we go through this, then first we should know reason out. We think to Do you think we should be over dependent and on computers? Give reason for your answer. I think we are now we are so much dependent on computers. We don't want to do any manual things. Everything we want to do using computer. For that we are becoming lazy. So we should not be over dependent on computer. For my point of view. Then learn more. The police keeps records of criminals and match fingerprints with the help of computer. Everywhere using computer, in the police station also, for the benefit of the police, they are keeping the records of criminals, and the criminals fingerprints also can possible through the computer. Then now come to the space research and defense center. Why these are places using computer? First is find information about space and various things happening there. So with the help of computer we can understand, we can get the information about space, and what happened in there also we can understand only through the computer. Then send rockets into space also with the help of computer is possible. Then varieties of weapons we are preparing for defense purpose, so it can be designed through the only with the help of computer. So all these are reasons need a computer for the space and research and defense center. Got it my point? Then now come to the publishing. This is also need computer for the publishing firms and design and print books, magazine and newspaper. Like this book, is this a written right by a human? No, it is only print or published through the computer only. So for the publishing also computer need, publishers also need computer for publishing their books or magazines or newspaper, etc. Okay. Then learn more. A computer can be used to do several other tasks such as learning new languages, cooking, designing things like clothes, cars, machine, etc. Apart from all these, for what purpose computer can be used? For learning new languages. Like we can learn foreign languages, we can learn our own, means we are Odia, then we can learn Telugu, Tamil, English, Hindi, whatever. Through this computer we can learn. Then through this computer we can learn cooking, we can design the things or clothes, we can everything we can learn from the computer. Okay, then this is the concept of the role of computer, and you go through this and you read the lesson properly. Okay, then your task is, after reading this lesson, you write computer etiquette in your notebook, take terms and quick recall. 3 of this you write in your computer notebook. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.